Hey there, guys. It's Marco here. So I just wanted to share a very exciting update. We just released a bunch of geolocation features for Gigro. So in this tutorial, I'm going to cover geolocation for your gigs. So basically, geolocation for your gigs enables you to set and add a map to your listing. So this can be very useful for some location-based services like accommodation, or maybe if you're like renting co-working space or something like that, things of that nature. So it can be very helpful. If the customer needs to find you on a map. So let's go create a gig, and I'm going to showcase how you can enable this feature. Let's create like test product. Credit card. I'm not going to set the calendar now, but let's just add some cost, like $50. All right, so if we scroll down, and you can see here in the tabs, it says location. So if we click on it, we can see here the map and basically the field where you can add your address. So this address will be associated with this gig. Let's just maybe you can use this pin actually and kind of drag it anywhere on the map, and it will automatically type in that address, or you can type in the address yourself and it will be added. But yeah, as you can see, location here is confirmed, and you can also add other coordinates, contact number, or working hours if you want to showcase that. All right, so let's just publish this gig and see how that looks on the product page. Okay, here's the accommodation gig we created, and if we scroll down, as you can see here in the location tab, there is the map displayed and the exact address of your gig. So as I said, this can be very useful for customers who need to actually find you on the map and get to you in some way. And yeah, we also have like directions features here where they can just type in their address, and the Google Maps will automatically create like a route for them. So yeah, that's about it. In the next tutorial, I'm gonna talk more about our geolocation features. We think that this can be very useful for you. Anyway, thank you and bye. Cheers.